Max Your Journey Tribe, we have a huge RV tour for you. No, it's a tiny home that's 22 foot. Let's see if we could live here. Could you rough it in this tiny home, 22 foot? Let's check it out. I love the details on the outside. I love how tall it is. But could we live here? Look at those light fixtures. Look at the touches. Ooh, I like what I'm seeing. Wow. Look how cozy it is. The rug, the couch, the lights, the light, people. Little desk, a chair. Oh, look at that bed. That is beautiful. Little plants up there. Look at this shelf. Look at all these shelves going up. The fridge, the 2-burner range. Everything looks like mwah. That sink. Look at that. I see the details. The hood. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Could you live here? I could. I already know. I made my mind up. That little tiny sink, I want it. That little cozy toilet, sign me up for it. And a washer and dryer combo. If this was 10 out of 10, I'm giving it an 11 out of 10. Details are immaculate. The views, the light fixtures, the lighting, everything is spot on. Guys, could you live in this one? What don't you like about it? Let me know down in the comments. I absolutely love this.